Hey, good morning, all. This is going to be a very short demonstration on Kaleidoscope Painter. Please note the website I'm at, victoria-sylvester.com. All right, let's go find the app. Going down, 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 keep going. At the time of this recording, all of these are free, so you may reference this page at any time you wish. I'm going to click on Kaleidoscope Painter. Here we go. All right, welcome to Kaleidoscope Painter. Click and drag around this canvas to begin painting. All right, I'm going to demonstrate the real simple way here first. Boop-a-doo. All right, now let's talk about how you fine tune what you want to do. Let's go here. All right, under here, you have a couple options that actually do something. First of all, background. Let's check that out. All right, you can change your background color. Um, you can do this at any time. You do not have to change your background color at the very beginning. Anytime it knows what the background is, and you can get it to work with whatever color scheme you want. Your school's color scheme, anything. You can coordinate it with anything. Although I have found that both black and white seem, or a very nice dark gray, seem to serve it the best. Second thing, brush size. Okay, you can go really little. Let me demonstrate. Okay, see, it's nice and fine. And then you can go, let's show you medium. Boom. See, and that's really thick, especially for something that's calling itself medium. And just for funsies, let's try the big one. Ooh, wow. All right. That is that is ridiculously pretty. Okay. Here's a tip. I have found that if you go big to small, it can be very satisfying. So let's bring it down. And now when you draw on top of the big thick ones with the skinny ones, you can really make this fabulous. All right. As you can see, there is no way to change it from radial balance to anything else. You are just stuck. This is radial balance, period. This is radial balance at its best. Something that's starting from the center and balanced all the way from the center in a circular manner. Okay. And let me show you something else. This is basically the last thing you need to know. Color schemes. These are your color schemes. You can choose. It's like, ooh, I always seem to like black and gray. Let's go to a medium brush size. And I've got that one selected. Boom, see? Now I've got black and gray color scheme. Okay, so you just keep going. And ooh, that's very pretty. See, I'm just doing a tiny movement. Not everything needs to be big, wide movement. Tiny movements are nice too. Let me get a little bit of the tiny. Okay, as you can see, black and gray can be quite awesome, especially with a little bit of the bright color peeking through. But let me demonstrate another color scheme here. Let's look at the red one. Let's see. Let's move up to medium. Let's see. Ooh, very nice, warm pinks, oranges, red. All right, just for fun. Let me show you that you can scroll all the way to the right. There's some hiding. You can certainly combine these color schemes as you like. You can stick with one color scheme, whatever you like to do. But I highly suggest doing a wide brush size and then the tiny details on top. Then you can really customize it to make it look super beautiful. Okay, one more thing, which is kind of weird, but kind of interesting. I'm going to select a different color scheme. I'm going to click Auto Draw. All right, I'm not doing anything. This is Auto Draw, just doing it itself, which is kind of neat. I want you to notice, though, that it's doing it with a fine-sized brush, at least the finest that this has. Because I've got it down here, what if I brought it up? Okay, this is how you can define what it's auto drawing for you. Let's make it really big. Boom. And then let's bring it back down to little so you can believe me that that's actually working. Okay, I'm going to go off auto draw. Let's say, wow, I am done. This is the best. I want to save this. Save image. Okay. And then that just went up to my downloads folder. Okay. So another thing you can do is you can say, I really want to start a new one. Just click clear. Boom. And then you've started a new one. And then you're ready to go. All right. Have fun.